Hello guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Bubba Certified, and today we're gonna be working on my buddy TJ's bike. This is 05 Road King. So the issue that he's been having with the bike, it just barely started happening, but when he get up to like higher RPMs or just cruising around, it starts sputtering out of nowhere. So I had this issue before. I was chasing my tail, running circles around. But I'm finna take a look at the fuel pressure regulator inside the tank and see if that's cracked or the rubber piece that came out. So I'm gonna get this top console piece pulled off and crack her open, see what's going on. All right, so I'm trying to get the best view for y'all, but right here on top of the regulator, it's pushing out from right here. Here, let me try to get a video for y'all real quick. See it leaking out from right there? That's where we're having our fuel leak at. So I'm gonna get this all pulled apart and get another regulator housing. All right, so now it's time to fix this hot mess. I'm gonna get everything loosened up. Take off all these zip ties. All right, so first things first, we're gonna pull off this top clamp, just like so. Pull it back. Then we'll be able to pull this piece back out of there. Pull the fuel pressure regulator apart. Then pop this bottom piece out. Just like so. Boom. Replace this. You see how it's cracked on the side right there. Just pop this one back together. Nice snap. There we go. Throw this piece in there just like so. Make sure y'all O-rings is good on there. Just like that. Slide it back. Fuel pump around. You gotta be careful because this back piece right here, these are the clips that come out, so you gotta squeeze it a little bit, keep them in place. Now that go over and lock down just like so. Then make sure y'all slide this bottom piece all the way back down in there. Other than that, that's pretty much how you replace that. All right, so now that we got this regulator housing all in, everything's tight. There's no gaps or anything like that. Now we can put this hose on top. And if y'all curious how I got this piece in there, just take a bigger flathead screwdriver from the back up underneath and then use a hammer on the back side to tap it in. So that does that. Use this flathead, tighten up this hose clamp. Using the wrong hose that go inside of this tank, but customer just want me to get the bike running, so just do that. All right, now that we got that all tightened up, now we can throw this fuel pump back in the bike. All right, so now I can slap this fuel pump in. Just like so. After we get our pump in, we can throw a fuel feed line on, just like so, and then tighten up the clamp. Just like that. Now we also gonna turn the fuel pump to the side, that way it can click in. Just grab it and hook it right into place. Just like so. Now we can bolt it down. Go ahead.
Oh, it sound like it's purging.